What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin from Touchdown Trades, your trading BFF, your stock market bestie. We got another EV truck company to talk about today, and I'm extremely excited about this one. This company has even been compared to Hyliion. I wouldn't make that comparison because they have different business models, but I'm extremely excited about this company as it's about to go public via reverse merger with a SPAC. The company that I'm referring to is XL Fleet, and XL Fleet announced last week that they're going to be going public via a reverse merger with the SPAC Pivotal Investment. It's currently trading under the ticker symbol PIC. Now, I'm not just buying or investing in any new EV company. I'm doing my research, and I've done my research on this XL Fleet. This is a company with huge potential. It already has a massive customer base, and it already has products on the market. The revenue growth, the projected revenue growth is absolutely massive, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing an in-depth analysis of this XL Fleet and its merger with Pivotal Investment. We're gonna take a look at the business model, we're gonna break down the merger, and towards the end of the video, I'll be giving you guys my own investment plan with this XL Fleet, and I'll be slapping a price target on the company. So stay tuned, and as always, let's secure that bag by making smart investments and sound trades. Let's get it. Oh baby, we got a banger for you guys today. This is a company that I'm extremely excited about. This is one of the companies that I have been watching. I have been eyeing this XL Fleet for a long time, hoping that it would go public. I am extremely excited about this company, and last week we got the news. We finally got the news that it's going public. So today we're going to be breaking down this XL Fleet. We'll break down the business model. We'll break down the merger, talk about when the merger is supposed to happen and which SPAC XL Fleet is going to be merging with. And then finally, we'll talk about where I think this stock price can go and how I'm going to be investing in this XL Fleet. One of my favorite EV truck companies right now, could possibly be my favorite, and that's why we're going to be breaking it down in today's video. Before we get started, you guys absolutely know what time it is. It is time to give the old like button the snake eye jab in the eye. These videos take me a long time to make. I love making them. And all I ask for you guys in return is to destroy the like button, because the like button is not our friend. On September 18th, we got the news that we are all looking for. XL Fleet is going to be doing a reverse merger with Pivotal Investment to go public. So XL Fleet is going to be merging with this SPAC, Pivotal Investment. The ticker symbol for Pivotal Investment is PIC, and after the news came out, it shot up pretty quick. We shot up from about the $10.50 area all the way to $12.50 on the first day. So about a 25% move on the first day, and then today we are up another 8% on the day. We hit highs of $14. But I think this is just the beginning, and let's talk about why I believe that. All right, so let's take a quick look at this XL Fleet's investor presentation to give us a better idea of who this XL Fleet is and a better idea of some publicly traded companies that we can compare it to. I love getting comps before I invest in a company. XL Fleet is an industry leader in fleet electrification systems with proven proprietary technology and electrification systems and solutions that work across a wide range of vehicles, classes, and types. So basically, they are doing hybrid powertrains right now. Pivotal Investment Corporation is a publicly listed special purpose acquisition company. So that is the SPAC that XL Fleet is going to be merging with. XL and Pivotal are combining to advance and accelerate the market growth of XL's electrified powertrain solutions and expand its product offerings. So basically, that's why XL has been compared to Hyliion, because they're using the hybrid powertrains as a bridge to get to total electric. And you guys know I love that concept, because I think these big corporations that use these fleet trucks aren't necessarily ready for total electric yet. And Hyliion and XL can use the hybrid solution as a bridge to walk across as we migrate towards total electric. As we sit right now, we expect the market cap after the merger of XL Fleet to be around $1.1 billion. And I think that's extremely low. We'll talk about more on the market cap as we get later on in the video. But I think that $1.1 billion valuation is too low. And that's why I think this is an excellent investment opportunity. We have a vision to be the world leader in fleet electrification, a mission to accelerate fleet electrification through cost-effective, customer-tailored, and comprehensive solutions. In North America alone, we have over 1 million vehicles sold in the class 2 through 6 range. So basically, XL Fleet is doing everything except big class A 18-wheeler trucks right now, but they do have plans to migrate into the big class 8 vehicles in the future. We already have customers. So this is already a business model that's up and running. They already have 200 fleet customers with more than 3,000 systems deployed with 130 million customer-driven miles. So this is a business that already has a customer base, already has powertrains sold and in use today. So we're not looking at another Nikola where you're kind of up in the air whether this is even going to ever get to market. They already have products in market. And here is the customers that XL Fleet is currently serving. Class 2 through 3, already serving that group of class 4 through 6. So right now we are not doing the 7 and 8, so no 18-wheelers, no tow trucks, no garbage trucks. But just think about the possibility, the amount of customers that are ready to be sold these powertrain solutions. We got the utility van, the pickup truck, last mile city delivery, the bus, the small bus, the box truck, so your little U-Haul trucks, the little vans, and your commercial like electric company truck with the box, the little crane that the guy goes up and works on the power lines. So the amount of customers are just literally endless. Here we have a grid of XL Fleet compared to its competitors in the projected growth. So we have units sold in 2020 is the dark blue and 2021 is the green. So XL Fleet has already sold 4,000 units in 2020. Just huge amount of growth as they expect to sell almost 10,000 in 2021. Your next biggest competitor is going to be Workhorse. You guys know how I feel about Workhorse. I am in love with Workhorse, and XL Fleet is selling more units than Workhorse is, even though XL Fleet is only selling the powertrain and Workhorse is selling their own truck, the entire unit. I still believe in this XL Fleet as a competitor to Workhorse, but you don't have to like one more than the other because I'm going to own both. Just take a look at some of the customers XL Fleet already has. Alabama Power, DHL. DHL is a huge delivery service. Harvard University. You know if Harvard University is buying from you, you're doing something right. FedEx, massive. Coke, massive. Verizon, massive. Pepsi, absolutely huge. The city of Seattle. Once you start selling to these metropolitan cities, they buy trucks every 3 or 4 years. They need to upgrade. That's just a massive deal when you're selling to the municipalities and the counties. The University of Virginia, just an absolutely extensive customer base as is. So we already have a foundation built that we are going to be able to build on and grow on. Here is something that's very important. So we have a chassis of a truck. The only thing that's being updated is the powertrain, right? The motor drive, the traction motor, XL Link, which enables the fleet to be tracked by the business, and the battery pack is put back here. The engine, the gas engine, the combustion engine is not touched, which allows the manufacturer warranty to stay intact. That was a big question with Hyliion, was whether the warranty was going to be voided if you used a Hyliion powertrain. With XL Fleet, the warranty stays intact because the engine is not touched. The powertrain is put on, it becomes hybrid, and your warranty stays intact. I know some people are skeptical about the hybrid powertrain solutions. I believe it's important to be able to use the hybrid powertrain as a bridge to get to total electric. And XL Fleet is not ignoring the fact that one day we are going to be in a world that is all electric, and they are working to get there. They are in the process of manufacturing or developing a total electric solution. Here again, we have some more of the applications. They have already done deals with the Seattle Fire Department. They have put powertrains on some of the EMT trucks and the fire trucks. We have Puget Sound Energy. They have put their XL Fleet powertrains, hybrid powertrains, on some of their work trucks. And we have last mile delivery. So similar to Workhorse, you're slapping a powertrain on a last mile delivery box truck. We all know that software as a service is huge, with companies like Adobe have taken off by selling software as a service. Getting that monthly subscription fee can build a company and lay a foundation. And XL Fleet knows this, so they're implementing their XL Link, which is a proprietary cloud-based vehicle connectivity platform. Basically, if you're a business, you have a fleet of 50 trucks, you're going to be able to buy this XL Link and pay a monthly fee and track your fleet of trucks. So if you have let's say a delivery business and you have 50 trucks out there, you're going to want to be able to track where all your trucks are and make sure they're hitting their deliveries. Let's take a look at their projected revenue growth. So let's remember, they're going to market with an expected valuation of about $1 billion. I like to look at a price to sales ratio when I'm making an investment. In the first year, we're going to have just a little revenue of about $7 million, which does not fit that $1 billion valuation, right? But just wait. So as we get to 2020, we got 21 million. As we get to 2021, 75 million. 2022, the growth picks up substantially. We're hitting 300% growth in 2022. And then we get to 2023, 647 million projected earnings. And then we get to 2024 and we're over $1 billion. We have a less than 1-to-1 price to sales ratio, which makes this a all green lights buy if they can hit those numbers. If we do hit these sales increase and growth targets, by the year 2024, we'll be trading at a price to sales ratio of 1. And if Tesla's the leader, and that's what we're going to be comparing this XL Fleet to, then I think we should be trading at a price to sales ratio of at least 15, which would mean the stock price would need to go up by about 15x to make it a good value. So we're looking at a 15x increase in the stock price if we can hit these numbers. So if you're telling me I can get a 15x return by 2024, I'm all in. So is the merger actually going to go down, or just this company just blowing smoke? Well, Pivotal Investment has filed the Form 8K with the SEC, so it does look like this merger is going to go down. The form says, on September 17, 2020, Pivotal Investment Corporation, a Delaware corporation, entered into an agreement and plan of reorganization and XL Fleet. So we do have the SEC filing saying that XL Fleet and Pivotal are going to be doing the reverse merger. We do not have a merger date set yet, but it looks like it's going to happen. I'd put the odds at 90% it goes down, 10% it doesn't happen. All right, let's talk about my plan on investing in this XL Fleet and where I think the stock price is going to go over the next couple years. I'll put a price target on it for about 2 years out. So we saw the expected revenue growth, and it is just very appealing to me. I think they can hit those numbers because I think these big fleet companies are going to want to use the hybrid powertrain solutions to transition to total electric. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be investing on any pullback. We got a nice little pullback today, but I'm going to be watching this towards the end of the week, seeing if we can get a pullback down towards 1250 or so. And I'm going to be trying to get long a pretty sizable position in this XL Fleet, currently trading under the ticker symbol PIC. I'm looking for an average price of about 1250, and my price target on this is going to be $40 a share by the next 2 years. The downside risk is there if the merger falls through. We're probably going to end up going back towards 1050. But so we're looking at about a 30 or 40% downside risk for about a 400% upside risk. So the risk to reward is there for me, and I'm looking to invest in this XL Fleet. I think it has a very, very bright future. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and destroy the like button for me. If you're not yet a subscriber, consider subscribing below. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a video. I love all of you guys, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Drop.